Vivo has finally unveiled the Vivo X300e in China. The smartphone will be available in black, orange, and white color options, and weigh around 203 grams. It sports a square camera module housing a Zeiss-branded triple rear camera setup. The Vivo X300e will sport a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display with a flat panel design. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset and will be offered in 3 RAM/storage combos, 8/256GB, 12/256GB, and 12/512GB. Includes a 50MP main sensor paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50MP IMX8 periscope camera for zoom shots. The selfie on the front is 50MP. The X300e will pack a 7,200 mAh battery, along with 90W fast charging support. The Vivo X300e is priced at 4,799 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.